Hi there. Azure DevOps for Jira by Move Work Forward has got an upgrade. It's now compatible with Azure DevOps Server. While the functionality remains the same, to use Azure DevOps on premises, there are a few changes in the configuration and branch creation, which we'll cover in this video. To begin, install the app from the Marketplace, then click on Get Started. You can also click on Settings under Azure DevOps on the left from your Manage App section. Click on Integrate with Azure DevOps. As it's for server, we want to tick the second option. So we need a personal access token with the scope of access read for code, read for build, and read for release. If you want to use this token for branch creation, you will also need write for code. So we will paste in our personal access token. We will get our Azure DevOps domain URL. Paste that in. So if your token is for all accessible orgs, this step won't be present and it will just go to the validation. However, if the token is set up for one specific organization, you must paste it in. Now the token should validate and you're good to go. You can put the expiration date of your token to get notified in the global configuration page prior to the expiration. The final step is to put in a suitable name for the integration. For this, we recommend using the same name as your personal access token, just for consistency and convenience. Now click Save, and the integration is now set up. The next step is to create a project connection, so we will click on Create Project Connection. If the token is for all accessible orgs, your first choice here will be to select the organization. However, if it's for a specific org, you can just select the project straight away. Click Save, and now the project connection is set up, and your integration setup is complete. You can now link your Azure DevOps development items with Jira. So here we have a sample test issue with the Jira issue key TP-31. We will click on Create Branch. And as we can see, the login screen for the Create Branch is a bit different than previously. So for Cloud, you can still log in with Azure DevOps. However, as we're using Server, we will click this option here to use a personal access token. We will enter a personal access token, ensuring it has the code write scope of access. And we will put our Azure DevOps URL. The token will again validate. We will put in our organization name. We will then realize I did not copy and paste the token correctly, and we will fix that. Okay, now that has been corrected, we can see the connection is successful, and we can connect and continue. Okay, so we select our project, we select our repository, we select the parent branch, and then we provide a suitable name. Ensuring to include the issue key, in this case TP-31, so that the development tasks remain linked in Jira. We click on Create, and as we can see, branch TP-31_ADO on-premise branch was created successfully, and we can view that branch in Azure DevOps. As you can see, it is listed here. Now, if we go back to our issue, and have a quick refresh, we can see a branch has now been created. There is a branch, and you can see one I've created earlier. Now, if we go back into the branch creation, to do that, we can click on this plus here, and then click on Create Branch. If we go to Manage our connection, we can either update the token or delete the token. So if we want to change the personal access token that's been used, we can go in here and update it, which is one of the new features introduced with the update for Azure DevOps on Server. And that's how you can configure and use Azure DevOps on premises with Jira. You can test this for free by looking up Azure DevOps for Jira by Move Work Forward from the Atlassian Marketplace. Thanks.